going without looking back. The road is long, but it doesn't bring me peace, just lax. The weight of pain brought me here, but vengeance lifted me. I won't disappear. The world broke me, dragged me to the ground, but now I'm stronger, I stand, I'm unbound. The devil called, but I turned away. Now I'm stronger and my vengeance will stay. Nothing holds me back. Pain made me strong. Now I'm the rock and the game has turned. I belong. I walk alone. I keep going without looking back.
Range preparedness. You have a goal for your time when you go to the range? Most don't have a range on their property, so focusing and setting a goal as to what you want to do when you get there is more important. You got a schedule and you got travel time. Your kit is complete. Firearm, holster with a belt, spare magazines, ammo for that weapon, small toolkit in case you have any malfunctions or something that you have to fix, your timer, targets, target tape, stapler, and maybe a small notebook. If you're good about it, keep notes on your phone. This way you can refer back so that you're not wasting time. Make the most of your range day. Set a goal and try to achieve it. You don't have to do a technique 10 times, 20 times while you're on the range. You're wasting your time. Things like that you can do at home with a safe and an empty firearm. Have it figured out when you get to the range what you're going to work on. That way you make the best of it. And remember, this is mostly about having fun. So enjoy yourself.
I walk along, I keep going